Are you a HR aspirant and want to crack SAIL MT HR 2023? Then this video with preparation strategy is for you. Are you working professional, student, or homemaker? And if you need perfect preparation strategy for your preparation, then be with us for a few minutes till this video ends. Before jumping into actual video, let's introduce ourselves. We HRpreparation.com, India's first online platform for HR aspirants. We are providing comprehensive study materials, test series, and video lectures for all kind of HR competitive exams. Let's look into perfect preparation plan. This is 6-stage approach for success. Stage 1. Know the syllabus first. Stage 2. Understand the exam pattern as given in official notification, including papers, negative marking, and duration of exam. Stage 3. Now check how much time you have for preparation, means from today to exam, how many days are there in your hand. Stage 4. Now list out topics from syllabus versus time availability, so it will help you to make priority list. Stage 5. If you can spend very limited time per day and not able to cover whole syllabus, then identify the most important topics and acts for exam. Stage 6. Now time to start preparation. If you do not know where to start, not understanding which is most important topic or act, and not having updated materials for preparation, then visit our website and subscribe to suitable package. First step in preparation is to understand question pattern of exam, means difficulty level of questions in exam. This will be possible with previous year paper analysis. So first refer previous year papers to understand questions difficulty level. Second step is to identify ratio of questions from each unit. This is also possible by referring previous year papers only. If you understand how many questions is being asked from each unit, then you can make priority list. But no worries, based on different previous year papers of PSU exams, we analyzed questions and made it in right order. Third step is to follow your priority list, means which you listed out to start preparing in order. If you're not able to prepare priority list, no worries, we prepared and made it available in our paid course. Once you understood question pattern of unit, now you have whole idea of unit, how to understand concept. To understand concept, study materials will help you, but instead of reading whole unit at once, better to split into topics. Each unit consists of different concepts, so just reading whole topic at once may not be right. So in our paid course, we divided unit into topics which will help you to understand concept of each unit. It's easy and convenient for you. You can see topic-wise study materials under units in our paid course. Most of the aspirants are afraid of labor laws or acts because reading each section and remembering each act is very difficult. But one easy method you can follow, that is, instead of reading each section, go with attempting each section or combination of sections as test, so it covers whole act without overstress. This is not possible with available printed books in market, but we provided act-wise test series with all sections, chapters, schedules and amendments. We provided act-wise study materials also, but it's with limited pages and understandable language. Fourth step is we have to give equal priority to paper 1 also. So we need to plan 75% for subject knowledge and 25% for paper 1. This is the last step and the most important step because it decides your success. That is model mocks. Most of the students thought of preparing with books or YouTube videos or video lessons on their own. The great disadvantage of books or video sessions or free stuff or own preparation is not able to reach their goal because of less practice or far away from real-time experience. Better practice and real-time experience comes with practicing live mocks. In our paid course, we provided 10 model mocks as per exam pattern and with detailed explanation to each question, so you can have real-time exam experience. One key factor is more practice is required for this exam because this exam is not so easy, so you need to practice more. But what should you practice more? Yes, the answer is you need to practice more model mocks. Minimum, each model needs to be practiced twice or thrice until you're clear with each question. Last 5 to 10 days, you need to focus on model mocks only. So you have to complete reading study materials and unit-wise or act-wise test series 5 to 10 days prior to the exam. If you have very less days like 10 to 20 days, then you need to change strategy. First, attempt and practice model mocks. Even though you do not have proper preparation, it works because given questions in model mocks are real-time questions and most expected questions. After model mocks, if you have time, then go with the most important topic-wise test series. Selected important and possible label loss to practice, so attempt act-wise test series. Still, if you have time, revise the model mocks as many as times possible. What are you waiting for? Subscribe the course today and start preparing for your success. Check course link in the description.